This is 318 Essex Street in Bangor. It's a 3-unit building. We're going to look at apartment number 1, which is a townhouse. It's our first and second floor. This is the parking area. The garage is not usable for parking. It's eventually going to be torn down by the owner. You could store certain things in there, but it can't be used for parking. Here's the mailboxes. This little porch area goes with this unit. So you come into this little entryway. There's some room for storage. It's actually under the stairs. So you can see there's a pretty good amount of space for storing things. And then this stairway goes up to the second floor. There's a full bath, or actually a 3/4 bath. It has a shower upstairs. Then there's a half bath downstairs. So this is the living room. This has all new flooring. It's the vinyl click flooring, which is pretty durable. It has recessed lights in the ceiling, also a ceiling fan with a light. This walks around to the kitchen. New countertops, cupboards, new appliances. And this has the recessed lights as well in the ceiling. And then down on this end you have the half bath, which has the washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer, which is included. So also has a microwave built in. There's your stove. This is the heater. It's a Rinnai heater. Propane does give out a pretty fair amount of heat. And of course heat's included as well as your other utilities. And then on the second floor, again, you have your bedrooms. A little spot up here at the top of the stairs. And then you have your bathroom and 2 bedrooms. So this is probably the smaller bedroom. This does have a couple of closets. Yeah, ceiling fan and light fixture. This is the master bedroom. It's a little bit larger. Has a bow window in the front. And there's your gas heater, Rinnai gas heater. And then this one has a single closet. And then here at the top of the stairs, down the hall, this is the other bathroom, 3/4 bath, I guess you'd call it. It does have a double-sized shower, so this is pretty spacious. It's got 2 seats. It's double-sized, so it's a pretty good size. So that basically concludes 318 Essex Street, apartment number 1. Again, 2-story townhouse, 2-bedroom, 2.5 baths with washer and dryer. If you have any questions, contact us at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.